Okay, today I am going to show you how to create or edit a chart in Canva. And the chart that I am going to create today is a chart that I'm making for my drink beverage or my beverage entertainment service. And I just wanted to gather a little information about martinis. So as you can see, I've already opened up my Instagram post. I just used the Instagram post square. And we're going to jump right into it by going to our elements. You can type in the word charts. After I plug in my keyboard. Sorry about that. Okay, now I can type in the word charts, and that's where I'm going to get to see all the charts that are available for me that are editable. And we're going to use the regular old-fashioned pie. It's what we grew up off of, learned from first, I believe. For the most part, I know I did. And we're going to begin right here where it says, if my mouse will allow me to click on it. Uh-oh, having technical difficulties here. So we're going to put the title in, and we're going to call this Martini Drinks. And what we're going to be finding out is the statistics. My mouse is acting up, so please bear with me. The first item that I'm going to input is how many male or men, the male species, prefer martinis, and I found out it was 35. And then, so that means that the female, of course, is 65. Then I asked how many prefer their martini shaken, and that was 60%. Versus 40% who preferred their martinis stirred. And like I said, my mouse is acting a little weirdo today. Next, I wanted to know if they preferred gin, if the people prefer gin or vodka. And that ended up being half and half. And as you can see, there is the chart that is changing with the information that I input. Of course, this is more than 100%, but when it's put into this chart and put into a percentile, it breaks it down for you. Right here where there weren't any placement holders, you are still able to go ahead and keep adding on the items that you need, and it'll give it a color. Canva will give it a color, as you can see. So there we have our chart. We have 16.7 preferred gin, 16.7 vodka male, 11.7 female, 21.7 shaken, 20% and stirred, 13.3. We can further customize this chart by changing the font. So I'm going to use Montserrat. I hope that I'm saying that correctly. Kind of give it a bold. We also can customize this chart because it is transparent all except for the pie itself. We can give this a colored background by going to background color there at the top and changing the color if that's what we wish to do. Another way to customize is we can change the entire background by adding a nice picture. So I found some of these nice pictures of different martinis, and I believe that I am going to use this one. Let's use this one. Bring it over here into the corner a little bit. Get it out the way so we can have room for the pie chart. And then we're going to move it backwards behind the chart. And we can take the chart and size it. Give it a little sizing so that it's not in the way. And I believe, let's see, last but not least, we can change the colors of the pie chart and make it kind of match the picture that we have using the color palette that they have provided us for the picture. Let's just make that one white since we kind of ran out of colors. Okay, and there we have it. One more thing, let's add text to this. Let's use this glowing text. It's a nice purple color to match. Let's right now these words are grouped together. Let's ungroup them so that we can move them individually and size them individually. Let's name this Martini. Make that a little smaller. Martini stats. Martini stats. And there we have it. A customized. One more thing. Let's go ahead and animate the pie chart. Slow down the speed a little. Let it pan on in. You can go ahead and, why not, give these a little animation as well. Slow it down. Let that one wipe in. We'll let this one wipe out on the other direction. Slow it down a bit. And now we can go up here and see how it looks as a presentation. Now you can go ahead and save this as a MP4 file, or you can save it as a PNG, JPEG, depending on which way you plan on presenting it to the viewer. And there we have it. A customized or personalized chart that displays the percentiles or the statistics, in my case, of martinis. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe to Funky Code World on YouTube for the art of business and more tutorials to show you how to build your business and create your own branding, marketing, and advertising materials and media. Visit Funky Code World, the art of arts and entertainment, where we provide multi-entertainment services, training, and products. See you next time with another tutorial. Stay tuned.